Place your robot vacuum upside down. Using a crosshead or Phillips screwdriver, remove the side brush. Using the same screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws securing the bottom cover to your robot vacuum and remove the bottom cover. Locate the area where the bumper is dislodged, and using a small diameter crosshead or Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws on the side of the bumper where it is dislodged. Lift up on the bottom section of the bumper and place it back into the allotted slots. Tighten the 3 bumper screws. Replace the bottom cover. Replace the side brush. Flip your robot vacuum over and tap on the bumper to ensure it moves freely.